guys, this is Rina from SuperFireworks. Today I'm gonna introduce you how the factory make the firecrackers. Let's go. See, this is the empty tubes, and they already put the dust in it. And then there is a machine. The workers use the machine to put the fuse in the tubes. When they put the powder into the tubes, they will use this machine to make the single tube into one bunch of firecrackers. See, this is the one finished. Put the fuse. Now the workers will cut the firecrackers piece in piece. This one is 100 shots. After they cut it, they will use the glue to stick the labels on it. Oh, and the workers can make this 1,000 pieces. Here comes the last step, packing. See, this is the wrapped middle package, and after that you just need to put it into the transport box and wrap it up. This is a small bunch of firecrackers the factory produced. Let's fire one. Another long big bunch of firecrackers. It has 100 shots. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.